An apple a day keeps a
doctor away.
doctor away, and it also helps you trade better. So eat apples every single day. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to exit a trade. So if you haven't seen my video on how to enter a trade, you should watch it, okay? And it's pretty much the same concept, but I wanted to show it to you on a new video. That makes sense, right? So saying that, make sure if you're a trader and if you love money, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that red button, subscribe, and also comment saying I love apples. Can you do that? Go ahead and do that right now. So next up, how do you exit a trade? It's called sell setups, right? So same concepts. Like I said, if you haven't seen the buy setups, watch that, okay? So number one, wait for the SMA line to drop, okay? To drop. So let's go ahead and take a look at this. So wait for that to drop and make sure to look for a confirmation bar. I usually look for two bars. Let me show that to you right now on Boeing right here. So on Boeing right here, let's go. So it rose up, boom, boom, boom. Now, so if you made a trade, so usually you would be making a trade with this bar, not with this bar, you could, but usually with this bar. And when you see this one, so that's good. So once you see those two bars, you're making a trade. Now, let's say you bought in right here, okay, on the second bar with the confirmation. You bought it and then it's going up, right? Now, sometimes it might keep going up. Sometimes you want to make sure you don't lose money. So here's what you do. So you see the stock is dropping, right? Okay, this is the first confirmation. It's okay. It's okay. That happens, okay? So when you see a first red bar, don't be worried, okay? Now, second one, okay? If the second one is also red, start thinking about getting out of it, okay? So that's when I say, so if you see the second bar also going red and it's closer to the SMA line. So just because you see a red bar, it doesn't mean you exit, okay? As long as it's closer to the SMA line. So if you exited right here, you still made some money, right? You still made some money. But if you wait till it touches the SMA line, you lost money. Or, well, you didn't lose too much money, right? Because you bought it right here. So first confirmation right here, second confirmation, you bought it right here. And then you waited till it goes all the way up here. Then you're waiting. Hopefully, hoping that it goes up. You see green. Okay, good. Then you see it, right? And you see the RSI drop right here. So that should also tell you that, hey, it's time to sell, okay? And you sell and you move on. Now, again, so this is the end of the day closing right here. But if this was going on for a couple of hours, we might be able to play this again. But let's go back and look at one more trade. So give me a ticker, Nikesh.
Baba.
We looked at BA Boeing and we're going to look at Baba right here. See, usually I was typing over on my laptop. I'm typing on this thing right here now, so I don't have to do this. But yeah, let's see. Oh wow, Baba had a great day today. So let's go. I'm a big Baba fan. Let's see. I want to show you guys. So of course, like example right here, right? So if you bought in, you want to see the confirmation. So confirmation was right here. If you bought in, you would keep going, selling. So there's not a sell signal yet. Okay, now this one is not a sell signal. Remember I said, even if you see a 2 bar and if it's not close to SMA line, don't sell. So if this SMA line was like, close to right here, I like to stay in 15 minutes. That's a really good way to, let's go to 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes, take a look at this. Still, that long bar is way away from the SMA line, okay? So here's the thing, okay? So just because you see a drop, just because the bears come in and start selling off, doesn't mean you have to exit. Okay, as long as it's not see, there's so much. Let's see how far away it is. Open, close at 291, and look, the SMA line is almost $288. That's $2. Okay, so you are safe. Okay, so again, just because you see a red drop, it doesn't mean you need to sell. You would only sell this if the SMA line was like right here. Then I would be like, okay, get started, right? And people start panicking and, you would see a sell-off, okay? If the SMA line was here, we would see a sell-off and it would drop off for sure. Okay, let's go back right here. Now, okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, let's take a look at this. So let's say you bought in right here. You could have bought it right here, right? You could have bought it right here. So right here, and then you wait. It's like, you know, it's not going too high, and you see a confirmation right here. It's way close to SMA line, and you drop up. This is not a good example. Let me see if I can find a good example for you guys. We can still. So I wouldn't buy it here because this is not a validation for me because it's so close. But let's go back and take a look at this. Okay, Baba is doing pretty good. See, you see those long bars showing up, and they hit that SMA line. That's when you should drop. But Baba is, you know, overall, you know, very stable stock. Give me one more stock.
LPCN.
LPCN. Oh yeah, we traded this. We pumped and dumped it a lot. Let's go back here. So let's see, it's going up and up, right? Now you see that first bar. Okay, good. The RSI is still high. Good. Second bar, the RSI is dropping, right? This would be the time to take profits and sell off. Good example. So right here. So let's move on. Big gap right here. Let's go back here. This stock did really bad after I got off it. It's trading well below. So I think you guys let's review it one more time. So wait for the SMA line to drop and make sure you look at a bar, right? And let's go ahead and look at it. So make sure the confirmation bar, the second bar, make sure it's touching the SMA line, right? If it's not touching, you don't need to sell, because some of you guys are like, you know, the SMA line is running off here. There's a 1 red bar, 2 red bar. People sell it off. You're like, oh, you know, you told me to sell it. No, I did not. Only if the SMA line is touching it. Okay, bad. Why is the door open?
It'll be closed.
It'll be closed. Okay. Cool. So that's how you do a sell setup in a basic way. I think if you do this, you'll be fine. And that's it, guys. Make sure, if you love apples, if you love trading, and if you love money, you have to subscribe to my channel, because that's all I do. I teach you guys how to make money through stocks and many other ways. So check out my channel right now and subscribe right about now.